Hey guys, as you can see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a slime package that I ordered from Blushing BB Slimes. I'm super excited for this one because she creates some beautiful slimes. If you don't already know her, go check her out. Follow her on Instagram at Blushing BB Slimes. She's amazing. Like I said, she creates such cute slimes. I can't wait to check these out. If you've already been subscribed to me, you probably noticed I haven't posted in about 2 weeks. I'm so sorry, you guys. I really missed you. I really wanted to post, but life has been crazy. My kids went back to school. Our schedules have been changing quite a lot. So I'm finally back. Super excited to be. Shout out to my animated dreamers right here for turning notifications on for my videos. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you for watching all of my videos, leaving me those awesome comments down below. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and turn notifications on for my videos. Let me know in the comments below that you did that and I'll possibly give you a shout out in the next one. Anyways, I'm super excited to open up this slime package. I can't wait to see what her slimes are like because it's been a while since I ordered from her and they look super beautiful on her Instagram as always. So let's get right into the slime package. First, here's a closer look at all of the extras she sent to me. I got these really cute little tissues. This Shiba Inu pencil sharpener. Again, very cute. A slime care card that says thanks for your purchase with a little baggie of borax inside. I got the free first slime because I did make a purchase of 3 or more slimes. It's a cloud slime, looks really nice. And she sent me this really beautiful 4-ounce slime as an extra as well. Thank you, Proud. I can see just from this little 2-ounce purse slime that she really has her cloud slime recipe perfected. This cloud slime is amazing. The texture is super fluffy and it does a beautiful cloud slime drizzle. It's also super sizzly and it has a really yummy scent. I'm not really sure if it's cookies or bubblegum, but it's very sweet and I love it. This semi-foam has a really nice stretchy slime base. It makes the best bubble pops and it's super stretchy. And it has the sweetest like vanilla scent. It's very yummy smelling. And I was so surprised to see that it barely needed activator considering I'm in Vegas and it's super hot here. So it should have melted. Oh my goodness. I just found a surprise. It has a little Cinderella shoe inside. OMG. I think I just discovered what slime this is. It's definitely a Cinderella themed slime. This is so cute. Isn't this slime so adorable? I've wanted to try her snow fizzes for so long and I am not disappointed. It's super fizzy, sizzly, crunchy. It's just so much fun. I love the baby blue color on this one, and the scent is really yummy as well. If you love crunchy slimes, I highly recommend that you order this one from her next restock. Cotton Candy Cookie Bar is another super cute semi-foam slime that has a super glossy base and comes with one really cute frosted sugar cookie charms on top. The scent on this slime is nice and sweet. I can definitely smell both the sugar cookies and the cotton candy in this one. And I love the bubble pops that this slime makes. And yeah, it's super stretchy. This slime is called Sweet Sugar Pie Sizzle Puff, and this is one of her newest textures in her shop. Oh my gosh, I cannot describe to you guys how good this slime is. If I could rate it, I'd definitely rate it like 1,000 out of 10 by far. It's one of my favorite slimes from her, and everything about it is just perfect. The texture is amazing, it's glossy, it's thick and sizzly. And the scent of it, oh my gosh, is so delicious smelling. It smells just like those macaron cookies, vanilla. I don't know, it's just yummy. Like, you would totally want to eat this if you could smell it, but definitely don't do that because slime's not edible. Anyways, I love this slime. Mickey's Tea Party has a very nice creamy and buttery texture, and the scent of this one is just delicious. I actually think it's the same scent as the last one, which is perfectly fine with me because it's so yummy. And I love the little cute touch with these rainbow Mickey sprinkles inside. Definitely another one of my faves out of all the slimes that I ordered from her. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed this Blushing Baby Slimes review as much as I loved playing with them for you guys and showing them off because they were all so amazing. Thank you so much, Proud, for making such great slimes and all the super cute extras. Hope you guys have a super blessed day. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you liked it, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.